Welcome to Online Digital Marketing Solution. In this video, I will explain Google Ads step by step. This is a basic tutorial. Let me explain Google Ads account structure. First, welcome account, next campaign, next ad groups, next keywords, next ads. So this is a Google Ads account structure. First, welcome account, next campaign, next ad groups, next keywords, next ads. Today, I'm running campaign for my account. It's Online Digital Marketing Solution. Online Digital Marketing Solution. I am running for ad for Bangalore location. So we are looking for SEO service in Bangalore and SEM service in Bangalore. And I will add related keywords and ads. Let's start the campaign. Just click the symbol, new campaign. Once you click the campaign, select the goal that you make this campaign successful to. Either you're looking for sales, leads, website traffic, product and brand content, etc. So I will select goal manually. So I will select create a campaign without a goal. This means I will create my goal manually. Next, select a campaign type, either search campaign, display campaign, shopping campaign, video campaign, etc. So this I am running for search network. So I will select the search. Next, it's showing some option like website visit, phone calls, app downloads. So I don't want to select these options. Just click continue. Next, campaign name. Campaign name is always location. Bangalore. I'm going for search network. So I'll mention search network. So this is for our reference. Next, networks. By default, Google is showing search network and display network. I'm going to make uncheck both. So I don't want to show my ads and Google search partners and display partners. It means my ads appear only SERP. It's search engine result pages. Next, show more settings. So this is basic tutorial. I will explain these options in next notification. By default, ad is showing entire India. I will show only Bangalore location. So I will select this option. Bangalore. Next, next language. By default, Google is showing English language by default. If you want to show your ad is in different language, you can select. Basically, people go for English language. So let it be there. Next, audience. So audience, I will explain in audience topic video. Next, budget. So how much amount you want to spend per day. So example, I want to spend 500 rupees per day. Assume that per day budget you mentioned 500 rupees. CPC is 50 rupees. Let how many clicks you can expect. Nothing but a 500 rupees by 50. So we can expect 10 clicks per day. After 10 clicks, the ad will pause. The next day morning, 12 o'clock, the ad will start. So the budget. Next, bidding. I'm bidding. I'm targeting clicks. So bidding is two types. One is manual bidding. Next is automation bidding. So let me explain. Bidding. One is manual bidding. Next, automation bidding. So I will suggest initial level you go for manual bidding. After that you can go for automation bidding. Okay, next. See, Google, by default, Google showing is automation bidding. So select manual bidding. Just to click here, select here, go for manual CPC. Showing setting bids manually may result in lower format. It's no problem. Initially, we'll go for manual CPC. After that, I can go for automation. Next, ads extension. This ad extensions I will create one more video. Till now, we have created campaign level. Next, click save and continue. Next, ad group name. Ad group name. So already you have created one campaign. Ad groups we have mentioned SEO and SCM. Mentioned SEO and SEM. So go for SEO. So max CPC. I will explain later. Come down. Here showing enter your website to find relevant keywords or enter keywords manually. Main thing is keywords is very important. What I'm suggesting, better go for keyword planner tool. Just you type what are the keywords you're targeting. Just you type keyword SEO service and work. And press get results. And also one more option is there. Here you are targeting for only Bangalore, showing entire India. Select this option location and you mention Bangalore. Save. So now we can search for average monthly searches a particular keyword. So this so 1K to 10K is going on run. Like that I have prepared some keywords. So SEO keywords, SEO service Bangalore, SEO company in Bangalore, SEO in Bangalore. I will take these keywords. So I will adding keywords manually. I will paste it. Here one more max CPC. So what I'm suggesting initial level we go for 5 rupees. Let's see where is our ad is appearing. Either 6 page, 7 page. After that we can increase the budget. Okay. Till now we have created campaign ad groups. Next, and one more thing, main important topic is keywords. Topic is there like phrase match, exact match, broad match. I will explain next video. Okay. Next, save and continue. Next, till now we have completed campaign, ad groups, keywords. Next is ads. Ads consist like final URL, headline 1, headline 2, headline 3, description 1, description 2, and display path. So I will target my website. So I will take this path, URL path. Next, headline 1 I have already prepared. Added final URL, headline 1, headline 2, headline 3, and I have added even display path URL, and I have added description 1, description 2. So till now we have created campaign, ad groups, keywords, and ads. So why is showing this option? So I am not added HTTPS. So it's showing that reason. This one no problem. And even how ads looks in mobile preview and desktop preview. So this is our ad showing. What I'm suggesting before creating headlines and description, please analyze your competitors. What they're putting the headline, catchy headlines you have to put, and what people are facing problems related to your industry. Please mention those keywords to attract your clients or customers. Next, click save and continue. Congratulations, your campaign is ready. Thank you so much.